they would roll up to the club and try to use their old fake IDs. Just because.
Even though they were of age?
And 4 out of 5 of them succeeded.
Jeez. Did you want to hear something really gangster? Excuse me. Excuse me, hold on.
This is my favorite part of the show.
I'm sorry, I apologize. A girl I went to high school with took her sister's birth certificate, her older sister, a photo out, and went to the DMV. She didn't get her driver's license, she just got an ID, but she pulled it off.
This is awful.
I know! I couldn't believe, I would never have the guts to do that, to go to an actual government building.
I feel like you would get detained, arrested, potentially spread eagle on the front of the Jetta.
She had it, she got it.
Wow.
I was floored.
None of this is legal.
No, it's all bad, and I don't think you could get away with it today. I mean, you're right, this was 1993. So, we were stupid.
I want to know. If you got a good story, I'm going to post it up right now on the Marcus and Corey Facebook page, or you can check in on the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app, that little red microphone. Get about 30 seconds. Tell us about it. Would love to play you on the air if you're listening on the app right now. We're going to check what's trending here in about a song or so.
He and Giselle Bundchen are fighting.
Oh, yeah.
She's not happy he unretired.
There you go. We'll talk about that. Get you caught up for the weekend. Coming up 650, star 1013.
This right here, goes out to everyone that is lost. Truly love. Check it. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. Glorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gate for me. Reminisce sometime. Night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's concealed, can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half a breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Whitney and Clean Bandit and Star 1013. Marcus and Corey, good morning.
This is what I'm talking about. It's what's trending on Star 1013.
What's happening in entertainment news, the biggest stories of the day, and everything.
A couple different people have been saying that Tom Brady and Giselle Bundchen are in a fight right now. In fact, she's left their place in Tampa. And Brady decided to unretire from the NFL.
Well, he did this big presentation about how he had to spend more time with his family, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, who hasn't been there? And then he retires for what, 10 minutes? And now he's back?
So she's gone, and he also, remember he missed 11 days of training? And be on the Masked Singer.
That's my favorite.
He said he was spending time with family, but apparently that they've been working on, and they've stopped that work.
He said, I'm 45, I got a lot going on. My man's speaking the truth.
I don't know.
We'll see.
So they are going to try launch tomorrow for NASA's Artemis 1 in that's but they're preparing for like double the crowd expected. So originally it was going to be this launch. It was supposed to go Monday, but it was scrubbed due to issues with the engines. Now mission, but it's the first step in returning to the moon by 2025, and that will be an
know that was a word, uncrewed.
Uncrewed.
I heard it on the radio the other day, and I was like, that's a new one.
Unmanned.
Unmanned was, that's why, because unmanned is gender specific. Okay, got it now.
Uncrewed, because it's going to be women.
I learn something new every day.
So back in the spring, we were talking about Saturday Night Live, and Kate McKinnon. Now, we got more people jumping ship. Alex Moffat, Melissa Villaseñor, Aristotle Atari, which I think this was like his first season.
They're all leaving?
They're all leaving.
Okay.
And then there's some statuses of the veteran cast members that we haven't talked about, because I heard rumors that Michael Che might be leaving, Kenan Thompson, Colin Jost, and Cecily Strong. So it's like, what's happening?
I don't know.
It's going to be the 48th season.
I haven't really watched it in years. I haven't found it funny in forever.
Oh,
I know. I have problems.
I'm dedicated.
Okay.
I love Kate McKinnon. That's why I'm leaving.
That is a bummer. Let's see. The Bay Area heat wave. By now you know about it. Make sure you try to use as least energy as possible. Set your thermostats above 78 between the hours of 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. when the grid is most taxed. It's hot, y'all. In fact, they've opened up cooling centers all over the Bay. I have a very handy-dandy list of every senior center, public library, community center up right now, from Napa to San Jose. I got you. My friends over at ABC7 for hooking it up. So I have that 1013.com. Click Marcus and Corey. It's on our blog. Okay. So that's going down right now. There was a $20 million winner in San Jose for the California Lottery off a scratcher.
I saw that. I didn't even know you could get a scratcher.
I didn't either. And I hate the fact that in California you have to release your name, and now everybody knows who you are. But this lady was in Hawaii, and she was checking her numbers on the app, and yeah, she $80 set for life game because she wanted to splurge. She says, I normally play the $5 ones. I decided to play a $30 one, and she won 20 mil.
Now she can pay for her trip to Hawaii.
Yeah, put Ron's Liquors on Berryessa in San Jose on the map. Lots going on this weekend, too, around the Bay. Monster Jam going to be at SAP Center. We were just looking at the Scottish Highland Games on TV on in Pleasanton all weekend at the Alameda.
For days.
Yeah, Alameda County Fairgrounds. The Phillies are in town to play the Giants. If you love baseball, Alicia Keys will be at the Chase Center. Kids Bop going to be at Shoreline. There's a grip going on.
A lot.
I am trying to work on a list of everything that you can get into this weekend. There's a SF block party and art walk on Clement in San Francisco. There's just a ton going on. Give me a sec, and I'll set you up with a full list, and that'll be at 1013.com. Click Marcus and Corey. And, of course, it is Furry Fridays, so we have all kinds of animals, fur babies they need adopting. Let's clear out the Humane Society of Silicon Valley. Let's get all their puppies and kitties adopted. Ellie is our first featured star.
She's so cute. She looks like she's smiling.
Mm-hmm.
She's very affectionate. She loves toys and playing. She's very smart. And she likes play buddies, too. So if you have another dog, that might be okay for Ellie.
All the doggos are super cute this morning. If you want to check everybody out, get adoption information, go to 1013.com/furryfridays.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning on the 50s. That's at 6:50, 7:50, and 8:50 a.m.
Connect now with the Marcus and Corey socials and blogs. That's at 1013.com.
Friday morning, second date update on the way next at 7.
Fog and partly cloudy at the coast today. Sunny, clear, and hot inland, so stay cool and hydrated. Friday temperatures upper 60s to mid-90s.
This report is sponsored by SanDiego.org.
When you're happy and you know it in San Diego, there's no limit to how you can show it. Endless sunshine, coastline, and outdoor adventures inspire waves of feel-good. Plan your trip today at SanDiego.org.
When so many good things happen.
You're getting so many fruits and veggies. I'm looking at my squeezed right now. I got coconut.